now we're heading into a journey to the center of the earth.
坐电梯呀，这是
上楼或者下楼。
我是电梯呀。
上次では正世界へ進むです。お寺さんより冒険を。
拜拜。要下去坐电梯呀。
Also, remember to secure hats, glasses, and other loose objects.
立ち上がったり手や足を外に出さないようお願いします。
Don't forget to check the time. Okay.
「
center of the earth, and if you've ridden Cars in California or the original iteration of Test Track, it's kind of like that, but with way better theming. It's really, really good theming. So thankfully, due to our vacation package, we had priority access. Even with that, we still waited about 35 minutes.
Yeah, very
now,
busy.
when we got in line, the standby line was 220 minutes. So like 3 hours and 40 minutes. And there is just no way in hell I would ever wait that long for a ride. This park is so busy today. And it's huge, so I mean, there's room to move and everything, and it really, like when you're walking around, doesn't seem that bad.
Yeah.
But the problem is just like the lines are insane.
Yeah.
The other part of the problem is it's so windy today that like some of the rides, like I would say probably at least a third of them.
All the outdoor transportation is closed down.
At least a third of the rides here are not operating today, and so that's making the other lines really super long. So we're probably going to get out of here in a minute just so we can go have some dinner somewhere else and chill out. We'll be back again tomorrow, and hopefully we'll get on a few more things. But I do love this ride, and I'm glad we did get on it. But man, if you don't have priority access for this, both times we've been here, we've had priority access. And if you don't, you're going to probably be eating up at least a third of your day waiting in line. So just know that this is one of the ones that's worth paying for priority access when you come here.